Have you ever wondered how a simple tree becomes the furniture we use every day? From forests to factories, the journey of wood is a fascinating process that combines nature, machinery, and human skill. In this video, we'll explore how wood is processed into furniture step by step. Step 1. Tree harvesting. The process begins in forests, where trees are carefully selected for harvesting. Not all trees are cut, only mature ones that are ready for use. Workers use chainsaws or heavy machinery to cut the trees. Once the tree falls, branches are removed, leaving behind the main trunk. These logs are then transported using trucks to sawmills, where the real transformation begins. Sustainable forestry practices are also important. In many places, new trees are planted to replace the ones that were cut. Step 2. Sawmill process. At the sawmill, large logs are processed into usable wood. First, the bark is removed using special machines. Then, the logs are cut into planks using powerful saws. These machines are designed to cut wood quickly and accurately. Different sizes of planks are produced, depending on their future use. This stage is crucial because it determines the quality and shape of the wood. Step 3. Drying the wood. Freshly cut wood contains a lot of moisture. If used immediately, it can warp, crack, or shrink. To prevent this, the wood is dried in large kilns. These kilns control temperature and humidity to slowly remove moisture. This process can take several days or even weeks. Proper drying ensures that the wood becomes strong, stable, and ready for use. Step 4. Cutting and shaping. Once dried, the wood is sent to workshops or factories. Here, it is cut into specific shapes and sizes. Machines and tools are used to smooth the surfaces and create precise designs. Skilled workers may also shape the wood manually, especially for detailed parts. This stage turns raw planks into usable components for furniture. Step 5. Assembly. The shaped pieces are then assembled into furniture. Workers join parts together using nails, screws, or adhesives. Each piece is carefully aligned to ensure strength and durability. At this stage, you can start to see the final product take shape. Tables, chairs, cabinets, all begin to come together. Step 6. Finishing. After assembly, the furniture goes through finishing. Surfaces are sanded to make them smooth. Then, paint, varnish, or polish is applied. This not only improves appearance, but also protects the wood. The final product is now ready for use. The final result. From a simple tree to a finished piece of furniture, the process of wood transformation is truly remarkable. It shows the combination of natural resources, technology, and craftsmanship. Now, every time you see wooden furniture, you'll know the journey behind it. If you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing processes from around the world.